Have you ever stood in your kitchen staring impatiently at a pot of water that just refuses to boil, only to slap a lid on it and suddenly, like magic, it starts bubbling much faster? It feels almost like a cooking hack, something passed down without much explanation. But what's really happening under that lid isn't magic at all. It's physics, heat transfer, and a bit of invisible energy behavior working together in a surprisingly powerful way. And once you understand it, you'll never look at a boiling pot the same way again. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. To start, let's think about what boiling actually means. Water boils when it reaches a temperature where its vapor pressure equals the surrounding atmospheric pressure, which at sea level is around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. But getting water to that temperature requires energy, specifically heat energy from your stove. When you place a pot of water over a flame or electric burner, heat is transferred into the water, causing the molecules to move faster and faster until they eventually break free as steam. Sounds simple enough, right? But here's where things get interesting. When you leave a pot uncovered, heat isn't just going into the water. It's also escaping into the surrounding air. A lot of that energy is lost through convection and evaporation. As the surface of the water warms up, heat radiates away, and water molecules at the surface escape as vapor. Every time a molecule turns into steam, it takes energy with it. That's energy that could have been used to heat the remaining water, but instead it's literally disappearing into the air. So your stove has to keep working harder and longer to compensate for that loss. Now put a lid on the pot and everything changes. Suddenly you're creating a much more controlled environment. The lid acts as a barrier that traps heat and steam inside. Instead of energy escaping freely, it's redirected back into the water. Steam rises, hits the lid, cools slightly, and condenses back into liquid, dripping down again. This cycle keeps energy circulating within the pot instead of letting it escape. In other words, you're recycling heat. There's also another important effect happening here: pressure. While a regular lid doesn't seal tightly like a pressure cooker, it still slightly increases the pressure inside the pot. Even a small increase in pressure can raise the boiling point of water just a tiny bit. That means the water can get slightly hotter than it would in an open pot before boiling. And hotter water means faster energy transfer, which helps the boiling process kick in sooner. But the biggest factor isn't pressure, it's heat retention. Think of the lid as insulation. Without it, your pot is constantly losing heat to the cooler air around it. With it, you're keeping more of that heat focused exactly where you want it, in the water. This makes the entire heating process more efficient. The stove doesn't have to fight against as much heat loss, so the water temperature rises more quickly. You can actually observe this effect in real time. Bring a pot of water close to boiling without a lid, and you'll see steam constantly escaping. Put the lid on, and within moments, the steam builds up, condensation forms on the underside of the lid, and the water reaches a rolling boil much faster. It's not that the stove suddenly got stronger, it's that you stopped wasting energy. This principle is used in many cooking techniques beyond just boiling water. Whenever you want to retain heat and moisture, like when simmering soups, cooking rice, or steaming vegetables, a lid plays a crucial role. It keeps temperatures stable and reduces cooking time, which not only saves energy but can also improve the texture and flavor of food. On the flip side, when you want something to reduce or thicken like a sauce, you leave the lid off specifically to allow moisture to escape. Interestingly, this same concept scales up beyond your kitchen. Industrial systems, power plants, and even weather patterns rely on controlling heat and energy transfer. The simple act of covering a pot mirrors the same physics used in much larger and more complex systems. It's a small, everyday example of how managing energy flow can make a huge difference. Of course, there are limits. A loose-fitting lid won't trap as much heat as a tight one, and lifting the lid frequently releases all that built-up steam, slowing things down again. And while the effect is noticeable, it's not instant. You're still bound by how much heat your stove can provide. But compared to leaving the pot uncovered, using a lid is one of the easiest and most effective ways to speed things up. So the next time you're waiting for water to boil and feeling that familiar impatience creeping in, remember what's really going on. By placing a lid on your pot, you're not just covering it. You're creating a mini energy-efficient system. You're trapping heat, reducing energy loss, recycling steam, and giving those water molecules the boost they need to reach boiling point faster. In the end, putting a lid on a pot is more than just a cooking shortcut. It's a simple demonstration of science in action. By trapping heat and reducing energy loss, the water reaches boiling point faster and more efficiently. What seems like an ordinary kitchen habit actually reveals the powerful role of heat transfer and physics in our daily lives. Sometimes the smallest everyday actions hide the most fascinating scientific explanations. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.